over here. So these are the some problem regarding ratio. So can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now in this, can you try this? How
Okay.
to deal this one? This question is consist of the two things. So the first thing you will write the first, like they said, ratio of the orange square to white square. So first you write the oranges, you will count, and then white. Then
5 to 16.
5 to 16. Okay, let's see. 5 to 16. I click wrong. Now see what's the wrong. What is the your mistake? Ratio. Can you see? 5 is to. What is the correct answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
First we count the orange squares, that gives us 5. Then we count the white square, that gives us 11.
Okay, next. Try again. Yes, this one quickly. Ratio of green balls to red.
5 to 6.
5 to 6. Okay, good. Next. Yes. Read it. Red to blue.
Okay. 11 to 5.
Good. Yes. Pizza.
Three to 1.
So what is written over here? What is the ratio of the slice of the pizza?
First it's 6 to 2, then we simplify, which gives us 3 to 1.
Okay, very nice. Yes, this one.
Seven to 9.
MashaAllah, correct. Yes. This one.
Three to 1.
Very nice. Yes.
Five to 2.
5 to 2. That's nice. Yes.
One to 3.
Okay, very nice. Yes.
Four to 3.
Okay, that's right. Last question.
Three to two.
Excellent. So you are ready now. Your mental exercise is nice. So now we move towards the ratio more. Ratio in the different form now we will see. And this time round you will see that some different ratios. Strawberry ice cream to all ice cream.
2 to 5.
Done. So these kind of things you are perfect. Now if I see the same question I will skip. These are the same. Now you can do this. Now something else, I just check it. The ratio you already know. So this was the easiest one. So now if I go something else, I saw some ratios which are somewhat tricky. Let me check here. Yeah, this one. No, this one. I saw some yesterday. I was looking there. Yeah, this one. So can you see this ratio the triangle has? The angles and the ratio 2:3:4. So what will be the ratio of the smallest angle? The total angle is how much?
We have to add 2 plus 3 plus 4.
Yeah, very good. Total angle will be, this will be
9.
This will be 9. So total angle is of the triangle 180. 180 divided by 9, right? So first you will do 180 divided by 9 and then multiplied by 2, right? So what will be the calculation? If you do like that, 180.
180 minus 9.
180 divided by 9. First you will do like this, right? Because the total parts are
12. No, not 12.
20, right? 20 multiplied by and then multiplied by 2.
Yeah, I'm solving it. 20 times 2 equal
40.
Yeah, 40.
So we click this one. Like this you will do.
So it's 40.
The next one. You will write in the simplest formula. Red to green.
Red to green.
And simplest.
Three to 2.
Correct. Yes.
What does this question mean?
Okay, this question is Tom has 147 and Suzanne has 57, right? So you can divide this into first smallest form. So if you try to divide in the smallest form, maybe you can divide with some number first. Then you will decide how much money does the Tom needed to give to Stan, so that they would have the twice as much money as Stan. So the Tom has twice. So how much money he has to give to other one? So first of all, you will observe from this one. Can you divide these two with some number?
They two end with an odd number.
Yes, both are odd number, but try to divide with some number first. If you divide 147 by some number, from 3 you can divide, huh?
Yes, maybe 3, maybe.
And 57 also you can divide by 3.
7 divided by 3, maybe.
Yeah. So if you divide 147 by 3, you will get a number that is suppose 3 4s are 12 and 3 9s are 27. And then if you divide this one by 3, you will get 19. This much money, this money has I mean, if we divide that, both the money, it's 49 and 19. This is the money. Now how much money the Tom needs to give to Stan?
Okay.
So that the Tom would have twice as much as money as Stan.
Okay.
You just try to make the balance. Some money from this transfer into this, so that this money should be double than this. So from 49 you transfer some money to 19. If you give $9, 19 to the 38, right? Right now 19,
Yeah, 19 to the
19
38.
to the 38. So this is extra. 11 is extra, right?
Yes.
So 11 is extra. So
For greens, it's 10. Then total is 16. So
Yeah.
10 over 16. We have to simplify it.
very nice.
5 over
8.
Yes, 5 over 8.
Very nice. That's right. Very good. So yes, this one.
One over 6.
1 over 6. Okay, so that was the equivalent fraction good mental activity. Now I will take you so in this paper you see the instructions are given. This is 1 hour paper and it's take 50 marks, and in this calculator is not allowed. Calculator is not allowed in this paper, and with the instrument, geometrical instrument you can take, and tracing paper you can take for similarity, congruency and rotation, and finding the reflection. They use tracing paper. So now come on to the paper. The first question is y is equal to 8x. So can you find the value of y when x is equal to 30? A little algebra is used. So if x is equal to 30, what will be the value of y? How you will do that? Yes, do you have any idea?
Confused a little bit.
Okay, I check it. I tell you. So, for example, if you have y is equal to 8x, right? So, value of x is what? Value of x is 30. So, y is equal to 8 times 30, right?
8 times 30.
Yeah, you will place this 30 over here. So, 8 times 30 is answer is 240, right?
Yes.
So, this is the answer. This 240 answer you will write here. Next is if the y, you will find the value of x when y is 56. Can you do this? If y,
You will do,
yeah, if y is
if
56,
y is 56.
yeah, what will be x?
Should we divide or multiply?
Yes, you are right. So you will
Divide.
place the value of y over here on the left side. So you will write 56 equal to 8 times x. Like this you will write 58 equal to 8 times x. Next step will be what? Next step will be 56.
56
8.
divided by 8.
Yeah, equal
Which is
to, which is
7.
very nice. So x equal to 7. This is your answer. Got it? So this answer,
Yes.
this answer you will write here. Okay. Now come on to the next question. Now we will use some geometry, and in the geometry there are some shapes, and you know that the shape first question they have done for us, and with the first question they have done for us, that is one reflex angle and four side, that is quadrilateral, right? One reflex angle and the four side. The second one is two, you have to match the what kind of figure is this. That hint is given on the left side, or properties, or the definition is given on the left side and name on the right side. So two equal sides and one unequal side. Which one? Two equal side and one unequal side. Two equal side and one unequal side.
Yes.
If I make the figure, this side, these two equal sides, and this third side is unequal. So what is this? Can you name this out of these four? This side?
Isosceles triangle?
Yes, isosceles triangle. I will click this one. Okay, this one. So I will select this isosceles. Okay, next one. Four equal sides, four equal angles. Which one? Four equal angle.
Rectangle?
Very good, rectangle. Very nice. Yes. Next, five angles.
Pentagon?
Very good. Pentagon is five angle, and the last one, of course, this one.
Hexagon.
Very good. So next one is, if we go move forward. So yes, this is very tricky question, and you will first draw this question on your notebook, and these numbers are given. The sum of the three numbers of the sides must be equal to 100. Means you will select from these numbers. You will select some numbers over here. To every side must be equal to 100. So this side must be equal to 100. This side must be equal to 100, and this side also must be 100. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 numbers you have to place on these missing places, right? Just try. Make this on your notebook and try.
Yeah, I do it on my notebook now. I'm gonna.
Good.
They have to be equal to 200, صح?
100. Every side must be 100, right?
100 or 200?
100. Over here is C. Better you ask. Every side is sum of the numbers of each side of the triangle is 100. So if 35 is there, first you start from this side.
I found one.
Okay. So what you write over here? The first place.
And this will be 15.
Okay. So I write here. Use that. This one is 15. I write here 15. Okay.
And after 35, the last one here, yes, this will be 50.
Okay. I write here 50. So 15 and 50 done. Okay. Then here.
Still, I just did one side.
Yeah. Try just one other side. If you adjust 2 more, then it will come. Done.
Can you use the number 2 times?
No. Write one number in each box. If you will repeat, you can never do it. That's why.
I found another one in this here 59.
Very nice. Okay.
Yes, and under it 26.
And here is 26.
Yes.
Okay. So only now.
And in the middle 24.
Yeah. So you have done all, right? Mashallah. Fantastic. So now everything is done. Everything is 100 now. Very good activity. So I clear it now and move on to the next one. Now see this one. You will divide now and shift the decimal. So if you 64 multiplied by what to make 640? (64) multiplied by what to make 640?
3.
3?
Which is 100.
Yeah, multiplied by what to make 640? Point
so if we go like this from the point,
yeah,
we go to the right side 3 times.
3 times. So what you will multiply here?
100.
Multiplied by 100. If you multiply by 100,
100.
No, if you multiply by 100, it will come only 2 decimals shifted on the right side. So you have
1,000.
Oh yes, 1,000. So be careful. Okay, next one. Yes. Next one. Here.
1,000.
Here you will divide. Divide by?
1,000. If we
No.
decimal here, then 1, 2, 3, 4.
How many decimals you have to move back? Where you will put the decimal over here to make it 64, right?
10. No, 100.
Yes, divide by 100. Okay, this is also done. Yeah, this one. Multiplied by what to make 6.4?
0.64. No. 0.064.
0.064. Mashallah, perfect. Because when you will multiply by 100, so how many decimal it will move? 2 decimal. So it will become 6.4. Very good activity. Now next thing is this one, unit 10, 100, 1000. So before the decimal we read it unit 10, 100 like this, right? And after the decimal we read it 10th, 100th and 1000th, th, right?
Yes.
So
Okay, so for the second one, 0.487, it is hundredths.
what you will write over here? 4. Position of 4 is after the decimal. After the decimal we use th, right? So what it will be? This one?
But
10.
how? It has to be the digit of 4.
Yeah, 4 position is, this is after the decimal, this is 10th, 100th, 1000th, right? This 4 is 10th.
I thought
Yeah.
one is 7, then 10.
No, we start from here.
Yes, I forgot the decimal.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's why we are revising. Now this one, tell me. This one. 4 position. What you will say? This is before, I think you have done this before 5 or 7 years.
100.
100 or 1000? 10, 100?
10. Thousandths.
Thousands. Thousands. Because
Yes,
you,
thousandth.
thousand.
It ends with the.
Yeah. Okay, now this one is more tricky question in which you will put a dot over there. You know the coordinate system. First you go on the x-axis and then y.
Yes, yeah, I know it.
Yeah, okay, so what is the position of C?
1 to -3.
Yeah, 1.
No.
1.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you will write
negative.
like this: 1, comma, minus.
Yes. -3.
Yeah, like this you will do, right? Now, what you will do is see this one. First see this question and then we will come again on the diagram. ABCD is a rhombus. Plot the position to the point D, where you will plot the position to make ABCD is a rhombus. So you have to locate the point number D over here. So you will place the point number D so that you can make a rhombus. So where you will place the point D to make rhombus? You got the question? You have to point somewhere over here.
Yeah.
D point to make it rhombus. So rhombus means all sides equal. The diagonals are different. Diagonals are different in length, but all sides are equal. That is rhombus. So where you will place the
-3 to 1?
-3, 1. Okay, you said this one. You said the point should come over here. You said the point should come over here, right? So if you make this one now, you say like this. No. I will need like this straight line. So you said this point is this one, this one, then this one, and then this one, and then this one. It's not wrong.
No.
Yeah, try again.
-2 to -1?
Okay, so now I will tell you the correct.
No, -2 to 1, sorry.
-2 to 1? Okay, so if you see -2 to 1, still there is some problem. See this, I am making. Is that rhombus? Disturbed?
Okay.
It's like thick rhombus. Now I just make you how to first see how move B to A. B to A is 2 units back and 4 units up. Okay.
Okay.
So C to D also 2 units back and 4 units up. Now tell me. From C 2 units back and 4 units up. Where you will reach?
-1 to 2.
-1, 2 units back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you will come. -1 to 1.
Oh, sorry. It was just.
Now see, I will join.
Yeah, I meant -1. Yes, I meant.
So
-1.
always make this idea to complete the rhombus. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Next one is we see. Now you will deal some percentages. So what is 35% of 60? Tell me. 35% of 60 is what? 35% means if I ask you in decimal, what will be the number? If I ask you 35%, so can you tell me 35% only, first part, in decimal? 35% mean 0 point?
Yeah, I have a way I'm doing it.
Okay, good. Very nice. So there are two ways. One first way is you will write like this: 31 divided by 100, and then whatever the answer will come, you will multiply it by 60. One way is this, right? And the other way you can do like this: 0.35, because 35 is percent is 0.35 multiplied by 60. You do like this. So in both way you will get answer is 21. Okay, now this one. Now 25% of 20. 25% of what become 20? This is called reverse percentage. For this I will
How do you do it?
Yeah, I will give you one example over here. Suppose if I say 15% of x equal to 30. So what is the next step? X equal to, if I want to find x, I will do like this: reverse percentage. Means this is my total amount. So if I do the 15% of the total amount, I will get 30. Means this what was the original price. So divided by 15%, I will divide by 15% means 0.15, right? So 15%, basically I move 15% under the 30. It will become denominator. So x will be 30 divided by 15%. Now what will be the value of x? This is easiest way. Now you can divide 30 divided by 0.15. So if you divide 30 divided by 1.15, so what will be the answer? 200. Your answer is 200. And
200.
Yeah, 200. But how you will do the 200 if you say I don't want to use calculator, right? So without calculator, how you will do? So basically the thing is, without calculator, how we do it? So I tell you now. This 30 divided by 15 divided by 100. So when you will shift it 15 divided by 100 on the right side, you will write multiplied by 100 and divided by 15. So I think I take you on my board, then you will learn more good. So I write first question. This is my question was 15% of what equal to 30. Now better you come onto my board. So let me check it. Yes, Radha. Now see over here. This is a question. 15% of x equal to 30. So if I say this is x equal to 30 divided by 15%. 15%. So x equal to 30 divided by 15%. This is 15%. You got the idea?
A little bit.
Now x equal to 30 into 100 over 15. If I put a cross, I can change the reciprocal. Got it? Now 15 to the 30.
Yes.
So 200 is the answer. Like this. And you got? Can you see the process? Okay.
No, now.
Okay.
Yeah, now.
Now, okay, yeah. Write this process in your notebook, then I will change the screen and then you will do the question.
Yeah, but I'm still confused in it.
Okay, shall I give another example?
Yes, by more practice, I will understand.
Yeah, I just tell you now, right now you will understand now. See, 50% of something equal to 10, right? What is the answer? 50% of x equal to 10. So x equal to 10 divided by 50%. Of course, something if I shift on the right side, it's become division. You understand this step? This step you understand? If something is multiplying over here, if I
No, this step I understand.
okay. If I say 2x equal to 4, what will be the x? What will be the x? X equal to what? If I say 2x equal to 4.
So we have to do 10 divided by 50.
Yeah, 10 divided by 50%, right? You got it? 10 divided by 50%. This I will shift 50%.
And when we get the answer, this is the answer, or we have another step?
We will solve. First, I shifted over on the right side. Got it? 10 divided by 50%. How to write 50%? Now tell me how to write 50%. 10. If I 50% mean 50 over 100.
10 divided by 50 is 5.
Yeah, that's you will do later. First, tell me what is 50%. 50% means 50 over 100. Got it?
Yes, 50 over 100.
So if I multiply, if I put a cross sign, it will be 100 over 50.
Yes.
Okay, now cancel it. This cancel. And 5, 20 is a 100. So answer
20.
Right? Now clear?
I'll try in the question.
Oh, now come. Once you will do by your time, then you will understand.
Yeah, when I practice a lot,
Yeah.
maybe this question I get it wrong, but when I practice a lot, I can get
Of
it.
course. Yes, this one. Now do this one. 25% of x equal to 20.
So first you have to do 20 divided by 25.
Yes, 20 divided by 25%. Because you will take on the right side.
When I divided it, I got 0.8.
Okay, so 20 divided by 25.
25.
25%. 25% mean 0.25.
0.
25% mean okay.
I'm sorry, what's it?
You confused? Okay. So come again.
Yes,
Come again on the board. I will tell you one more easy way. Then you can understand this. If I say 30% of x equal to suppose 60, what is x? First of all, without moving, before moving, this percentage sign is creating problem for you. So you have learned in the junior classes how to convert percentage into the fraction. What is the fraction of this percentage? Can you tell me? 10% means, if I say convert into fraction, what you will do? What you will do if I say convert into fraction? First step is what? Only tell me first step. You remove the percentage sign and what we do? Divide by 100. This is the step.
Yes.
So 10 over 100, right? So
Yes.
here what I should write? 30% means?
30 over 100.
Good. 30 over 100. 30 over 100. So, and this is, rest is remains same, right?
Yes.
30 over 100 equal to 60. Now, in order to find x, I want to shift this one over here. When you will shift 30 over 100 on the right side, it will change. 100 will go in the numerator and 30 will go in the denominator. You agree?
Yes.
Very good. This is, I think, easiest way I can tell you. So you will put 100 in the numerator and 30 in the denominator. Now easily you can handle it. 0 cancel with 0, 3 cancelled with 6, and the answer is 200. You agree?
Okay, all right.
Now you will do. Now use this process and you will now do the question. First, note this process. This is easiest way. First step, if you follow it, the percentage convert into the normal fraction, then it will be easy for you.
So when we get to x, 60 times 30, okay.
Right?
Okay, let's go.
Now let's go over there. Now try this one. How you can use
Oh,
smallest form. Smallest form you can use.
wait, this part I'm confused. Can you do it with me? 20 times 100 over 25.
Okay.
This part I'm confused in it. Can you do it with me? 20 over 100 over 25.
Okay, now if I will solve this question for you, then you will do one more question for me. Okay, tell me this question now. What is that? 25%
Yes, 25% of something over 20.
equal to what?
20.
20. So for the first step is this 25 over 100 equal to 20. Now next step, I told you that.
Then 20 times 100 over 25.
Yes, 100 over 25. So can you can cancel this with this? With
yes, this way. This 4 and 5.
4, right? 25 4s are
Yes.
25 4s are 100.
24 and 25 is 5.
So answer is 80.
Wait.
You can cancel.
You removed 5 and put it 1.
In n,
Okay.
if, if you cancel 100 divided by 25, you will get 4. 4 into 20 is 80.
Oh.
Then I am thinking that since what happened with Rhoda today,
Yeah.
it's so. Did you eat what you eat in the lunch today? Okay.
Okay.
Now it's penalty for you that you will do one question for me, and I'm giving you
Okay.
75.
I'll try.
Okay, you will do it, inshallah. This is suppose if I say over here
100.
300. Okay, do it.
Okay. What again?
Again, so next penalty will going to come. So 700 75 over 100
Yes.
equal to 300.
Equal to 300, then 300 times 100 over 75. This part I have to be stuck in it. I don't know.
I think you didn't practice the fractions. See this one. If you cannot divide directly, just start with this smallest number. What is the smallest number you can divide? Anyone, this or this? What number you can divide?
75 we can by 5.
5,
75
okay.
it can be divided by 4.
This one also 5, 20, right? Now further what you
Yes.
Now further you can divide by what number? Again 5. Again 5. 5 3 the 5 3 the 5 4, right?
Yeah, right.
And then now 3 and 30, can you divide these two now? This 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30, 100, right? So 100 4s are 400. Khalas. Answer is 400. If you take 75% of 400, you will get 300.
Okay.
Got it? Okay, I will give you.
Got it. Not got it, يعني present.
Now you will never.
Sorry.
Yeah. Next, in the next lesson, I will take you in the percentage, right? Okay.
Okay.
Now I am writing over here. Suppose 30%. 30% of something equal to suppose 150. Try this. Once you do
100. Okay. Okay, I cross it out now. What do I do after I cross out? Do I multiply, divide, times, plus?
Final answer I need.
Okay, so what did I do is that I did 150 times 100 over 30. Okay,
then do the same process as we.
I crossed out 100, which gives me 20, and 150, which gives me 3.
So the final answer is what?
In this part, what should we do?
Okay, so see, you stuck again. 30 over 100 of x equal to 150. Till here you reach. X equal to 150 times 100 divided by 30. So
yeah, 150 I crossed it out and put 3, and 100 I crossed it out and put 20.
5. You get 5, right? 0 cancel with 0 and 3.
Yes, it's 5.
So 500. Answer is 500.
500.
Yeah, because 5 multiply 100. You got it?
Yeah, I got 500. I was like, no, it's wrong.
Oh my god. This means you need one more question. Okay. I say 120% of x
over
equal to
100.
Okay, do this. The answer will be bigger now because I am taking 120%.
Wait, how is 120 over 100? Okay.
You can do. That's the same process. It will be bigger answer. Yeah, answer will be smaller, but the percentage is bigger, more than 100. Now calculate.
Okay, I just went to the same place and now I'm trying. Stop.
Again is stuck.
Yes.
My god, what happened today? Take tea or coffee. 120.
We did not take this type of questions with our teachers, so it's the first time. It's new to me. Yeah, then 120 over then 200 times 100 over 120, and then stop.
Now stop. It's very easy.
Yes.
By what numbers?
I know.
You can cancel with 0.
But
0.
yeah.
Do not stop.
Yes.
Let's continue. Cancel 0 with 0.
Yeah. Yes.
Now start with 2.
0 and 0.
Now you can start with 2.
5 and 6.
The 2
10
6
is 5, 12 is 6.
2 is 5. So
6,
now
5.
Now see, 400. Don't afraid. Again, move with 2. You can cancel this with this, right?
Yes.
Answer can come
4
in
is...
Yeah.
2 6s.
Yeah.
3.
2 3s are, and this is 200, right?
Yes.
Okay.
200. And 200.
200 5s are?
200 times 5?
1000. 1000 divided
yes,
by
1000.
1000
divided by 3, which gives us
3.3
point and...
Yes, done?
Yes.
So this is a question. Khalas. Answer can come in decimal also. Right?
I did not accept. I did not...
No,
I did not know that the answer would be in decimals.
The answer can come. Everything will be different than the previous thing.
It can come in decimals?
Yeah, it can come in decimal. Okay, if I say...
And now you're going to say... You will give me another question.
Okay, I'm giving you 15%. Equal to 2. Let's see how you will do.
I'll try 100, 100, 200, 140.
Yeah, 150.
That would be
15%.
I think 140 times 100 over 15. Okay. Cancel this out. 15. This one. I did all, and I crossed out 2 times the equation, and then I'm stuck in the last 20.
Okay, if it is in decimal,
I will... It's hard.
Okay.
So I will tell you what did I do. 240 times 100 over 3. Also 100 over 15.
It is. You did like this. 240 into 100 over 15.
Yes. Then I can 100 out and 15 out. 15 would be 3 and 100 would be 200. As 20.
Okay. Now can you cancel this and this? 3 and 24.
Yes, I got 2.
Why 2?
Yes, 3 and 24. Okay.
3.
I'll cancel these.
Yeah.
I canceled 20 and 24. Okay, 3. That was my mistake.
Oh, you can... better you find some easy way, right? Do not involve this 3 with this. Either you can cancel with this one. This is a multiple. Factors in multiple you have learned. Remember it. 3 8s are 24. So you get 80.
What? 80.
80 multiplied by 20.
160. No. 1060.
This is answer, right?
Yes, I did it. Alone.
Yeah. Now I will give you one. Still you haven't done alone.
One more again?
Yeah, okay. Of course you get the punishment. 20% of X.
Punishment?
This is punishment. Last question. The same kind of question you are doing. This is punishment. So 150. Okay, do this.
That looks easy, but when I do it, it looks hard.
Let's see. I hope final answer will be correct.
I hope.
Inshallah.
No, sorry, still. Okay, I'll tell you where did I do. Okay, so.
What is final answer? Tell me final answer.
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Okay, I'll tell you. Then you tell me what's my mistake.
Okay.
150 times 100 over 20.
Okay, 150 multiplied by 100 over 20, right?
Yes. Then I crossed out 100, which gives me 2, and 150, which gives me 3.
No, why don't you divide these two?
What? Okay, I'll divide it again. Give me
If you divide these two, what you will get?
One of 20 is 1. And 10 is 5.
Yeah. 20. 100 divided by 20 is?
100 divided by 20 is
0 with 0 and 2 5s are 10. 5.
5.
Now 15 5s are?
100 divided by 20 is 5. And 150 times 5 is 70. Wait, I'm doing it. 750. And 750 is the answer.
750?
Answer.
Okay. Still you did wrong.
I'll try when I finish the lesson. I'll start also working on it.
Only the last one.
Give me another one.
10% tax.
Last one?
Yeah, this
last one.
Last one.
Yeah, this is easy.
Okay, do it. That's why I give.
I'll try. I think it's not easy.
Oh my God! I want to get rid of. That's why I give easy.
It's easy. It's easy.
Let's see.
Okay. I can cross out 100 and 100, right?
Yeah, of course. The same process. Tell me final answer.
And we can put it 0. The answer is 10? No. Yes. No. The answer is not 10, right?
Of course, how it can be? Answer should be
yes, it's not 10.
10% of something is 100. What is something? Which means this. This is your discount. $100 is your discount. What is the original value? 10% of some value is 100. What was the original value?
Okay, so 100 times 20 equals 120. Okay, when I get 2000 and I still have 2, what should I do? And I still have 2.
X equal to 100 into.
Yes, I did that, all of this, then I got 2000 and then I'm left with 2.
Yes, like this. You done? You done like
yes.
This? Okay, then 0 cancels with 0.
Then I remove 10 and 100.
Yeah, so answer is 1000. Khalas.
Yes.
So
that's what I said.
Yeah, just a 10% of 1000 is 100. Khalas.
Yes, 1000. Bas.
And mashallah. We come on to the original screen again. Get rid of from this. Okay.
No punishment again?
No punishment again. The next punishment will be I will start the percentage next class. Okay, now see this one. Bobby's score M marked it in the test. Means sometimes we use the letter like X, like M. So
yes, M.
So
algebra. No.
Yeah, algebra. So Bobby's score is M, right? Bobby's score
yes.
M marks in test. So Dan scored 2 marks less than Bobby. So what I will write over here for the Dan? I might make an expression for Dan and read this and make the expression for Dan in term of M. In term of M. The equation will be consist of Bobby's score, right? So Dan score 2 marks less than Bobby and Bobby score M. So what will be Dan equation? Two less than Bobby. What was the Bobby score? Bobby's score was M, right?
M.
So you will write
yes.
M minus 2. Khalas.
M minus 2.
Yeah. You understand? Den score is 2 marks less than Bobby. This is a comparison.
Expression or comparison?
Only expression, but with the comparison. We are finding the expression. This is expression for Den. So Den get 2 marks less than Bobby, right? This is the Bobby score, and if you subtract 2, you will get the Den marks. So you will write here. Got? The first thing is done. Like that they ask in exam. Next thing is Gorgia score 3 times as many as marks than Bobby. So what will be the equation over here? Not equation, expression. Over here. What should I write over here? Read this and tell me. Gorgia scored 3 times.
Georgia scores 3 times as many marks as Bobby. Write down an expression for Georgia's mark in terms of M. Okay, M minus 3 now.
Why minus?
And M.
Yeah, now.
Not minus.
Yeah, now what it will be? Due to times. Use this word times.
Yes, M times 3.
And times. Okay, good. So Gorgia's score will be 3M. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not actually, it's 3M.
Very good. So now next one is this one in terms of liters. Okay. A bottle contains 250 milliliter of lemonade. So work out how many liter of lemonade there are in 6 of these bottles. An answer must be converted into liter. First of all, you must get the understanding of milliliter and liter. I just remind you over here how many milliliter equal to 1 liter, right? So I write here for you 1000 ml equal to 1 liter. This is the information. Now you will do this question with this information. Now can you do? First what you will do? Yeah, first what you will do? 250 ml. 1 bottle equal to 250 milliliter. How many will be 6 bottles? If 1 bottle equal to 250 times, right? If 1 bottle is 250, so what will be 6
times? We're gonna multiply.
Yeah. So you will write here 250
150 times
6 equal to, what's the answer?
Wait, I'm doing it. 100 2 times 6 13 16 12 13 1,500.
Oh, 1,500. So this is 1,500 ml. Still you are in ml. Now you have to convert into liter. You have 1500 ml. So what will be equal to liter? If you want to convert it into liter, what you will do?
Divide or multiply?
Yeah, of course, the small thing will convert into the bigger thing. You will divide. Divided by 1000. So what is the answer?
15.
Answer is?
Oh wait, sorry.
1000 divided by 1000. 1 liter.
Which is?
Yeah. The answer is?
No, not 15.
If you divide by 1000, just shift the decimal on the left side. How many decimal?
Yes. Can I remove all the zeros?
No, if you divide with 3 zeros, of course you will shift 3 times left side. So from here, 1, 2, 3. Answer is 1.5. Got it?
Yes, I'm doing it at the paper. And then I got point something.
1.5?
Yes, 1.5.
Simple as that, right? So this is 1.5 liter is the statement. So first of all, we have to check the unit required in the answer sheet, and according to that we will work out. Got it?
Got it.
Very nice. Now,
not really, but I'll try.
No problem. Did you remember the ratio? I taught you the ratio in the beginning, in which you convert first quantity into second quantity, the ratio. Or I didn't teach you that, how to convert the ratios. Okay, come.
No, you did.
Come onto the screen. If did I teach you like that? 2 hours and 15 minutes. Convert into 45 minutes. So convert first ratio into the second one. Did I teach you such type of things? "45 minutes.
I remember that I took something about minutes. And
so what will be the smallest unit in this? Hours or minute? Which one is the smallest unit? Hours or minute? Which is the smallest?
Minutes.
So in 2 hours and 15 minutes, how many minutes total? If you convert this one into minute, 2 hours 15 minutes, how will be the total minutes? How much will be the total minutes?
Total minutes.
2 hours and 15 minutes equal to how many total minutes?
Also, we do 15 plus 45, then 2 hours plus 2 hours and
2 hours 15 minutes equal to how many minutes?
2 hours equal to how many minutes? In a minute, it has 60 seconds. 120 minus 15 equals to 130. No. Yes.
Right? 135. So now I will write in the ratio. 135 ratio.
Yes, 100 plus 15, which gives us 135. 135 to 45.
Yeah, I want to convert first ratio into the second one. Now, by which number I can divide these two?
5.
Okay, so 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, and 5 9s are like this. This is the simplest form, right?
Yes.
This we have done before. Now see this question.
Yes, we've done it in the first.
Yeah, in the first lesson I think we have done it. So now see this question now. See this question that Jenny has suitcase, the weight, the mass of the suitcase is 18.1 kg. And the next thing is handbag of mass is 800 kg. So all together, this is the first part of my question which I told you. So everything you should show in the kilogram. How many kilogram she has? Now calculate. This is not ratio. This is the first part of that which I told you. You should convert everything in the kg finally. If you go in the airline and they do not allow the handbag, you will put all your stuff into luggage. So how much kg? One is 800 gram and one is 18.1 kg. So total how much kg? How many kgs altogether? Unit is kg.
Still confused.
Okay. So convert into what answer should you have to give the answer in kg? Yes, first look at over here. You have to give the answer in kg. So how much this one is? How much this kg? This is 800 gram equal to how much kg? How many kgs?
800. No, 18.1 kg to 800 g. You have to make 800 in kg?
Yeah, 800 gram in kg. 800 gram into kg is how much? How to convert gram to kg? 800 divided by 1000. How much the answer? Hello.
Yes, Mr. Vidya.
So 800 gram divided by 1000, you will get 0.8 kg. Got it?
Okay. Yes, I got 0.8.
So 0.8 plus 18.1. How much?
Doing it.
Yeah, because 18.1 is the kg mass of suitcase. This was suitcase.
18.9.
Yes, 18.9. Khalas, done. 18.9. So in kg, the total kilogram weight is 18.9. Like this you will do, right? So you will convert all the remaining things into in which you have to get it, right? Into this one. I am asking here one question from you. Do you go to the supermarket?
Yes.
Okay. When you go through the supermarket, if you need to do some calculation, how you will do? That kind of question I will ask you. First, suppose I share the screen and define the question and you will solve. Suppose your mom give you $100. Okay. So you buy two chocolate. Every chocolate cost is 5.5. Suppose you buy 6 chocolate each, $5.5 each, and then you buy 7 markers. Each cost is $3.2, and you buy some suppose fruits, 8 oranges. The oranges cost was $1.6 each orange. Each. And you have $100 note. So how much will be the change? How much shopkeeper will return you? Do this question. This all you have to buy, and you have $100 note. How much the shopkeeper will return you in the end with this stuff?
Okay, so I have to add them all, then I minus it by 100. Then I get the change.
Yeah, how much the change you will get from the shopkeeper before leaving the counter? Take you with the percentage?
Okay, when I did it, it was hard and I didn't do it, but I was like confused when you get this answer.
Yeah, it's okay, but you have done correctly. So next time we will do some practice regarding percentage and some algebra also, and some more complicated problems of ratio we will deal. And beside that, sometime we will do the checkpoint also and like that. So you will be perfect and you will gain more knowledge, right? So suppose if you have 100 over here, 100.0, okay, and you have 68.2, this you have to subtract. Got it? So you move one, you move from here, so it will be 10, and here it will remain 9, and here also 99. If you move 1 from here, it will be 99 and this will be 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8, and 99 minus 68 is 1, and this is 3, like this. Got it? First you take the borrow from here to here. If you take the borrow from here, it will be 9 and it will be 10. Then still you need over here. So then you borrow from here, you will get this one 9 and this one is 10. Got it? Like that, I think. Yeah, I think you remind now. In childhood you have done in grade 2, 3, right? It's okay. Thank you very much. We will meet again.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, then we will meet. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.